Configuring Worldline GoPay for WooCommerce. This video will cover the basic configuration steps for your Worldline GoPay for WooCommerce plugin. For more details and information on setting up the plugin's advanced features, please refer to our official plugin documentation. Before you start the configuration, you will need access to a WooCommerce admin, Worldline Merchant Portal. Open WooCommerce payment settings to start configuration. Go to WooCommerce settings, then select Payments. Click on Manage. By default, the plugin is set to run in the test environment. To publish it live for your customers, check the box, Use the live environment. You need to switch to the Worldline Merchant Portal to retrieve the required data: PSP ID, API key, API secret, API endpoint, webhook ID, and secret webhook key. Log in to the Worldline Merchant Portal and generate API and webhook credentials. Navigate to Developer Payment API and click Add API Key. Please note, you can use a pre-existing API and webhook keys, but keep in mind that the secret API and the secret webhook keys are only visible for 60 seconds once you create them. Copy the values and switch back to the plugin settings to paste them in the appropriate fields. Get back to Merchant Portal and navigate to Developer, Webhooks, and click Generate Webhook Keys to create new ones. Copy these values. Switch back to plugin settings to paste them in the appropriate fields. Automatic configuration uses the store's webhook URLs automatically. The manual option requires you to add the URL in the Merchant Portal manually. Copy the value from the store webhook URL field. Click the Add Webhook Endpoint button and paste in the endpoint URL field. Finally, save the settings. Advanced Settings Authorization Mode. Authorization mode lets you choose whether payments are processed in one step or two. Authorization. Funds are reserved when the customer completes the purchase. You capture the payment later. Sale. Funds are captured immediately after the purchase. Authorization mode for credit cards. Available when authorization mode is set to authorization. Card payments offer two additional authorization options. Final authorization. Funds are reserved for up to 7 days. You can cancel the authorization fully or partially. Pre-authorization. Funds are reserved for up to 30 days. You can cancel the authorization fully or partially. Capture mode. Available when authorization mode is set to authorization. Capture mode lets you capture payments manually or schedule automatic capture. Automatic capture can be set up to 7 days after the transaction. 3D Secure Authentication. Turning this option on requires strong customer authentication before completing a purchase. Some transactions may be exempt. Enforce 3DS Challenge. This option allows you to require authentication for every transaction. Exempt transactions from 3DS. Exclude certain transactions from strong customer authentication. Exemption type. Available when exempt transactions from 3DS is enabled. Choose which exemption type to apply. Preference: No challenge request. You request that the issuer skip strong authentication. The issuer may accept or reject the request, but the transaction continues either way. Exemption: Low value. Exemption applies to transactions below the amount set in the exemption limit field. Exemption: Transaction risk analysis. Acquirer. The issuer and acquirer assess transactions up to €100 dynamically. If the perceived risk is low, authentication may be skipped. Exemption limit. Available when exempt transactions from 3DS is enabled. Transactions below this amount in euro are exempt from strong customer authentication. The Worldline GoPay for WooCommerce plugin also lets you do 3 things from the WooCommerce Orders dashboard. Fully or partially capture the payment for a selected order. Fully or partially cancel payment authorization for a selected order. and fully or partially refund the payment for a selected order. To capture a payment fully, choose the option Capture Authorized Worldline Payment and click Update. To capture a payment partially, click the Capture button. Then, choose the products you want to capture payments for and enter the desired amounts in their respective fields. Finally, confirm the action. Please note that you cannot capture more than the maximum amount for a given order. To fully or partially cancel payment authorization, click the Cancel button. Choose the products you want to cancel authorizations for and enter the desired cancellation amounts in their respective fields. Finally, confirm the action. To fully or partially refund a payment, click the Refund button. Choose the products you want to refund, enter the desired amounts, and confirm. Congratulations, your setup is now complete. If you happen to have any issues during setup, get in touch with us through one of our support channels.